The ocean occupies a remarkable 97% of the living space on Earth. For most of human history, it has been considered too big to be seriously compromised by human activity. But today, our influence has become truly global, extending to the deepest abyss and the farthest reaches of the open sea. While there are encouraging glimmers here and there of recoveries of depleted wildlife and degraded habitats, we're still losing the battles to arrest and reverse biodiversity loss and bring climate change under control. Neither effort can succeed without a bold ocean recovery plan. We call on G7 nations to lead in a global effort to fully protect 30% of the sea by 2030 and bring the rest under much improved management. Such an effort is vital to safeguard and augment ocean stores of carbon, thereby mitigating climate change, and at the same time restore to health ecosystems that are critical to human well-being everywhere.
Our work has highlighted just how many of the world's oceanic shark populations are under extreme threat from increased fishing pressure.
Our work in Galapagos has highlighted how the extent of the marine plastics problem has reached even remote and highly protected marine habitats considered pristine.
Our work in the Republic of Congo has highlighted how unregulated industrial fisheries are impacting biodiversity and the livelihoods of poor coastal people.
Working on coral reefs throughout the tropics, we found that we can use the reef soundscape to monitor degradation from overfishing or from climate change. But we can also use sound as a tool to accelerate recovery at restoration sites.
Our work across Europe and Australia shows the importance of a historical perspective for our oceans. By looking to the past, we can begin to understand what healthy habitats look like, what species our oceans used to contain and in what abundances. In so doing, we can begin to raise our aspirations for ocean conservation and restoration.
Our research has shown that many marine turtle populations around the world are now recovering, thanks to protection at the nesting beaches. We now need to move towards protecting them in key foraging areas.
Our work at the University of Exeter satellite tracking basking sharks has shown how scientific data can be used to develop marine protected areas that really work.
Our work supporting the recent designation of the Ascension Island Marine Protected Area has highlighted that while they may bring many benefits, even the largest existing marine reserves cannot single-handedly protect some of the ocean's largest and most mobile species.
Our work in the Chagos Archipelago shows that these large marine protected areas are really important refuges for many threatened marine species, including turtles and seabirds.
Our work on the return of bluefin tuna to the shores of the UK highlights that the seas around us are changing and we need to take a dynamic approach to marine resource management.
Our work at the University of Exeter's Centre for Environment and Human Health is highlighting the importance of a thriving marine environment, not only for the economy, but also for the health and well-being of all people in the UK and across the world.
Our science and conservation work around the world shows the scale of the challenges facing our ocean, but also provides clear, evidence-based solutions. We know that inclusive, locally led initiatives can protect and restore our ocean, but we need political leadership to take such initiatives to scale that will see the true recovery of the blue planet on which we all depend. We call on G7 leaders to listen to the science, to listen to the ocean, and to act.